Describe what our industry is like.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, that's a hard question, Amy.
Bonkers?
I always describe it as quite exciting.
Exciting.
Fast.
It's always so go, go, go.
It changes hourly.
It's fun, it's exhausting.
Talented people.
It's very technical. Everybody's quite like-minded, but there's lots of different characters in the industry.
To me, it's just amazing. It's somewhere for you to go and just be yourself.
Everyone is so unique, and I think that's what makes it fun for me. My name's Hannah Garvey and I'm the System Management Accountant.
I run the mics room. Audio desks.
I'm a video engineer.
I'm a monitor engineer.
Office manager.
A receptionist.
Cleaning department.
Head of the lighting department. Training and development coordinator.
Crew manager. Office coordinator.
HR manager.
Purchase ledger assistant.
Payroll manager.
First assistant director and editor.
An account manager.
An account manager assistant.
How does your job make you feel?
I don't know, it's so much fun.
I do enjoy it a lot. I love meeting new people. Like, it gives me a sense of purpose.
I would say empowered. I get to be responsible for delivering something that can have a bigger impact somewhere else.
It's a feeling of being in the room with people that love something in the same way that you do.
I love music, so I like that I can be a part of that in the work aspect as well.
Once you pull off something really big, it's amazing.
It's just like a wow moment of I helped to do something to make that work, which is just a bit mad sometimes, but it's really good.
I just think about if I could do that every day, that's where I want to be.
What gets you out of bed in the morning?
Well, if I stayed in bed, I'd go mad. Showing my boys that I'm a full-time working mother and trying to keep it together is as motivational as anything.
Being able to give those experiences to other young people.
Always wanting to make sure that I'm always doing 1%, 5%, 10% better.
People will call me corny for saying this, but I love the team of people.
Someone or something will make me laugh every day. I think having a good laugh keeps you going.
The people I meet, they're my biggest motivation. I get to travel the world, and also I'm constantly learning.
Always wanting to know more, and I'm learning every day from people, and that feels good.
Has there ever been anyone that you've kind of looked up to as a mentor?
My family.
I've got to say my mum just always been like go on, you can do it.
Margaret made me feel very welcome. She sat down and told me the do's and the don'ts, introduced me to the likes of Erin and Kathy, and they're friends to me now.
Margaret, she had the patience of a saint.
I think it helps because you learn from them and just get an inspiration from them and their work.
I owe a lot of my career to Mark Pearce.
John Fitz. Kathy and Erin, obviously. When I started, I was only like 18, so they really looked after me.
A school PE teacher. He felt to me like my biggest cheerleader.
My dad is my best friend and my superhero.
Leah Coyle, she's kind of helped me through the beginning of my journey.
I had a lecturer in uni, Jack, who now actually works at Adlib. He helped guided me through times where I didn't know what I was doing, was completely overwhelmed.
I think having the right support network is, 100% paramount to anybody's success.
To dip into the resource of the people around you is so important.
It's always good to have people to look up to.
You do need someone to look out for you.
To just have someone that believes in you. That's what's important about mentors, is that they're always going to help you just continue to go up.
What advice would you give to encourage any young women and girls out there to get involved in our industry?
If you're feeling lost right now, give it a shot.
You just have to pick your passion and you just have to go for it.
Trust the process.
Never be afraid.
It is okay to be the only woman in the room.
Don't be scared.
I think we all get caught up sometimes with thinking we're not experienced enough. Like, none of that matters at the start. Have the confidence to do it.
Just take that step. It's not that hard.
Just do it. Just do it.
Go for it.
Do it 100% because it's the best decision I ever made.